We have the full stack of electronic hardware here in Sydney. From your antennas right down into the algorithms, the machine learning, the build systems, the pipelines, the UIs, a full ecosystem. And as the market's evolving, the technology needs to evolve at the same pace. So we have 1 quarter release cycles, and to get to that speed, you need dedicated, focused engineers that can really push the limits of what's possible. And the advantage that we have there is the people that architect and design and work on these systems, they're sitting right next to you. You can tap that person on the shoulder and say, hey, how did we get to here? Then you can take that information that they'll share with you and you can evolve that into something really meaningful. Engineering's already hard. Why would you want to do it with hard people? At DroneShield, we have an incredible team. The competency level is high, the care is high. All we want to do is build the best technology into products that have real value and meaning.